switched teams. We still got our teammate up there, but Clayton's on the stick now because the other kid is getting a little bit tired.
There she goes.
I see smoke.
We got about 10 minutes.
I see smoke. I smell
We
it.
got about 10 minutes with the activity. There's still a lot of time.
Me and my dad just got all of our food. It's like purple bread, purple potato. Super cool.
See what's cooking for the feast. We have up here a well-done roasted
Cameras out.
Oh, yeah.
This will be a great photo right here with our handsome chief and our men to take back home with you tonight. Aloha. Welcome to your happy celebration.
Perfect.
Just find a spot where you
They're
can
gonna teach us how to make fire
have the
from
demonstration
2
first,
sticks.
and after that, we all can start to make this fire. You will win a souvenir from us. You start this fire tonight, all right? So let's get it going. Mahalo.
All right, family, when you come and make your fire, you can see how I'm sitting. Make sure that the big stick here doesn't move around. Then the small stick, you want to hold about 45 degrees or lower, like this. And then you want to lean forward and warm up the wood. Because what you're trying to do is gather particles at the end. See that? So when you see it smoking, don't stop. You want to keep it going. Gather those particles there. And these are the particles that you want to gather. And that's what's actually going to burn and make your fire. So you guys got the idea what you need to do?
Yes, sir.
And if the wood still burns, that means you got your fire, okay? You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
All right, family, we got some sticks in front of you. We can have 2 families per fire stick. We can have 2 families per fire stick. Now, if you're not comfortable sitting down and rubbing the fire, it's okay. You can stand.
All right, so I'm up on stage right now, and they're doing this.
I'm going. We got another family going to help you out. Hold on.
Chief and everybody right there.
Thank you for coming up. Let me know. Now, if you are waiting by the fire and if you haven't tried yet, please let me know so I can get you in any of these groups. Yes?
It's super cool.
Boys right there, okay.
Okay, there's the fire sticks going. This is Clayton and his new buddy.
Aloha and welcome some of our family that's just arrived.
Getting warm?
Welcome to Chief Luau. Take this time to leave your things on the table. I'd like to invite you. We do got some fresh coconuts prepared for you at the end of the stage.
Okay, we switched teams. We still got our teammate up there, but Clayton's on the stick now because the other kid is getting a little bit tired.
There she goes.
I see smoke.
We got about 10 minutes.
I see smoke. I
We
smell
got about
it.
10 minutes with the activity. There's still a lot of time. There's still a lot of time to visit the drinks, water and fruit punch. Get yourself a nice tattoo. Maybe learn how to weave your own headband. Maybe make some fire. Don't stop. Don't stop when you see that smoke.
Don't stop.
Don't stop. Keep it
Almost. We
going.
got to trade in our third team.
Okay, good job.
Okay, now we switched to Mom. Still got our fire holder stick. She is...
Anybody need the use of the restrooms? Restrooms are located over the bridge where you came through to the left side.
Luau, by the way.
And don't forget the bars behind the tables and chairs, family.
Clayton's going in to finish.
We also have ice water fruit punch available for you back there. Thank you for being here, everyone. 5 minutes. 5 minutes for the activities before we move on to the next part of our program. Can we try one more time?
I think so, Chief.
One more time.
Make some noise. How Chief Seattle?
Please give a round of applause to my co-host right here. There's my man, Frank Mafili. My little captain. Well, happy Thursday, everyone. I hope you're ready for the night. Is everybody ready? Have a good time tonight?
Yeah!
Please give me a loud aloha.
Aloha!
Aloha means hello, goodbye means I love you. The first part, what is alo? Everyone say alo?
Aloha.
Alo means we face to face. I alo you, you alo me. We're aloing each other. Everybody please alo me.
Alo.
No, just look at me. Look this way. The last part, what is ha? Everybody say ha.
Ah.
Ha is the breath of life. When you say aloha, means more than just hello or goodbye. Do me a favor. Please turn to the person next to you. Reach out, shake their hands. Come on, everyone, and say aloha.
Aloha.
That's your family. That's your friend for the rest of the night.
I don't know those
hang
people.
loose above your head. And please don't do this. This is hangover. Up here. Ladies, don't leave it here because this is probably tonight at midnight. Cooking the hot rocks covered with lots of banana leaves. Please get your cameras ready. It is time to witness and see what's cooking for the feast. We have up here a well-done roasted pua'a.
And there you have it.
Hey,
Keep the cameras out.
Oh yeah.
This would be a great photo right here with our handsome chief and our men.
Alrighty, so we're walking over to our pig or our feast right now, and it's all you could eat. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat a lot tonight. We're ready. I thought we were having these guys for dinner, but
Little water park here.
yeah,
too.
we're in a water park, by the way. Super cool. Me and my dad just got all of our food. It's like purple bread, purple potato. Super cool.
Here's Clayton. Clayton with the ringleader up there trying to make the fire. We're having a good time.
Ladies, don't leave it here. Because it's probably tonight at midnight. Everybody above your head. In the count of three, please yell out, hang loose. In the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Hang loose. This means take it easy. What's cooking for the feast? We have up here a well-done roasted pua'a.
And there you have it.
Hey,
Come on,
hey.
keep the cameras out.
Oh yeah.
This would be a great photo right here with our handsome chief and our men to take back home with you tonight. Aloha.
They're gonna be
Welcome
pretty
to your
quick.
happy celebration.
Perfect. Okay. We just got our food. Clayton's been video on his food. We got all kinds of stuff here. Wait, what do you say, buddy? There's our little it's pretty cool. Now we're gonna get into this luau food here. Let's meet the men of Sabo. Samurai, Yafyamaya.
Ya waso papenge. Aloha yung flavor yung mangwia. Samoa. Mama. Mama. No, sige. No, sige. Sige maya. Slapping hurts. Give another round of applause to the man of Savo family. Yay! Making of the fire. And my dad taught me when we grow up and live in the jungle. So that's all we do to get the fire families to rub the stick. I know you have your own method. So while you flick your pick, we rub the stick. It takes 5 hours. And rainy days we don't eat. Then we go to McDonald's. Eat chicken nuggets. Anytime you want to learn this method, just make sure the wood is very dry. 2 pieces must be the same. The other good thing about this method, family, it works with any wood. It doesn't matter what kind of wood, as long as it's dry. But make sure the 2 pieces are the same. And when you start rubbing, please don't rush it. Start slow till you see smoke. Then you can pick up speed. On the Survivor show, they didn't slow down. They were rushing, then the arms got tired. That's why there was no fire. Leave it up. No, go get matches. Just in case something happened. Yeah? Never know. Family, this is not part of the show. Just want to make sure that this will not catch on fire, otherwise you're going to see a running fire. And I can't run. Not on Thursdays.
Not on Thursdays.
Tomorrow, Friday. Friday is good because it's Good Friday. Yeah? Right? Everything? Are you serious? I mean, everybody's watching. Are you serious? I don't think they like to see me this way. It took me all day to put this together. It sounds good. Turn it down a little.
Keeps got so many.
Everything? Are you sure about this? Oh. Take pictures. I hate this job. Go slow. See the smoke. Pick up speed. Go. Did you see it?
Yeah.
That's fire. Do you want to see a big fire?
Yeah.
Then go get some gasoline.
Gasoline.
Here it is. We can. can build a bigger fire. We can build a bigger fire with the dry leaves. This is a dry husk of the coconut. Transfer the burning particles here. And be careful. I don't know why they Holy smoke. Everybody please say fire. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our world of fire. And the heat is on.